So in this topic we are going to see about theorem of Boolean algebra. So we are having two theorems, De Morgan's theorem and principles of duality. So under De Morgan's theorem, De Morgan theorem suggests two theorems that are forms of an important part of Boolean algebra. So the one form is AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. So this is one form. And another form is A plus B the whole bar is equal to A bar product of B bar. So whatever values you are applying here and doing the complement of that, the same will be the reflection of A bar addition of B bar. So this is what they are saying. So we can check with a truth table for this. So I am drawing a truth table for this. A and B are two inputs I am taking here. So one condition is AB bar. So I am writing AB bar, and another condition is A bar plus B bar. So now what I am taking? So A bar plus B bar. So I am taking the combination. So what are all combinations we are having? 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So these are the four combinations we are having. So we are going to apply each and every value to this AB bar and A bar plus B bar. So now we can apply. So I am applying 0 into 0. So A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0. Then if I am applying the complement of that, what I will get? I will be getting 1. So same thing I am doing for this. A complement is I will be getting as A value is 0 and complement will be 1 plus 0. So 0 will be put here and 0 complement will be getting as 1. So then I am doing the 1 plus 1. So what is the output I will get? I will be getting as 1. So again apply this for this 0 and 1. So I am applying 0 here and 0 into 1 what will get? 0. The complement of that I will get as 1. So again apply here 0. The complement of 0 I will be getting as 1 plus B complement is 0. So 1 plus 0 what will be getting? I will be getting 1. So next I am applying 1 0. So same thing, same way we are applying in the opposite manner A and B. So for this also I will be getting 1 and 1. So now we will apply 1 and 1 for this. So 1 for A and B also 1. So 1 into 1 what is that? We will be getting 1 and the complement of 1 we will be getting as 0. So again I am applying this formula. So A value is 1. So I am doing complement of that, what will happen? It will be taken as 0. Okay. So plus B complement again I am doing, what I will get? Again B complement, B is 1 and complement of that is 0. So 0 plus 0 you will be getting the output as 0. So hence the left hand side is equal to right hand side. So that is the first rule they are trying to say. So second rule also we are going to draw a truth table for this. So here same way we are taking four combinations A, B and the combinations for this we will be taking. So A plus B the whole bar, then A bar product of B bar. So now same way we will take four combinations 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So these are the four combinations I am taking. So now we are going to apply into this formula 0 plus 0 the whole bar, what we will get? We will be getting 1. So 0 plus 0 will be getting 0. The complement of 0 will be getting 1. So again apply here as separately. So 0 complement we will be getting as 1 dot 0 complement again we will be getting as 1. So 1 into 1 we will be getting 1. So now again apply this formula 0 plus B we will be getting 1. The complement of 1 is 0. So now I am applying this 0 here. So 0 complement we will be getting as 1 and 1 complement we will be getting as 0. So 1 into 0 what we will get? We will be getting 0. So same way also this opposite only here. So same way 0 only will be getting. So now we will apply 1 and 1. So 1 plus 1 we will be getting as 1 only because we are doing the binary representation. So don't forget that. So 1 plus 1 will be getting as 1 and the complement of 1 will be getting as 0. So again do the same. So A I am applying. So 1 complement of 1 will be 0 into B complement. So B is 1, the complement of that will be 0. So 0 into 0, again 0 will be get. So this is the De Morgan's theorem. So I said we are having two theorems, De Morgan's theorem and the principle of duality. So now we can see the principle of duality. So we will say as principle of duality. So here principle of duality is nothing but first condition here is change each or sign. So or sign to be changed to an and sign. So this is the first condition they have given. So second condition will be change and sign to or sign. So this is what the second condition we are going to do. And third condition is we are going to do complement of any 0 or 1 appearing in the expression. Suppose we are getting any 0 means we will complement that value to 1, and if you are getting 1 means we will complement that 1 to 0. So this is what the condition. So for example, for dual relations, we are having one condition like A plus A bar is equal to 1. So how we are getting this condition we will see. Suppose I am taking the A is equal to 1. So what will be that A value I am taking as 1 and A bar, you know that the complement of that 0. So 0 you will be getting. A complement is 0. So 1 plus 1 you will be getting 1. So that is what this condition they are trying to say. So next is the A dot A bar is equal to 0. So how we will check here? So again I am taking the A value as 1. So 1 into A bar means what is the condition? 0. So the output will be 1 into 0 will be 0. So you can change the value of A is equal to 1 or 0. You can check both the conditions. So this is the principle of duality. Okay. So this is another theorem, very important theorem. So here we are going to solve this AB plus A bar C plus BC is equal to AB plus A bar C. So we need to satisfy this condition. So that is what we are going to do. So now we will take this. So I am taking as AB plus A bar C plus BC. Okay, so this is the expression we have given. So again I am doing this condition, taking this condition AB plus A bar C. So now we are going to solve this conditions. Okay, so first so we need to prove this. Okay, so this condition is equal to this condition we need to prove. So that I am going to add one condition with this. Okay, so what is the condition is, as we saw in the duality law, what we said, A plus A bar is equal to 1. Okay, so that condition only we are going to apply into this formula. So you are taking this expression. So I am taking AB plus A bar C plus A plus A bar. I am going to multiply that with BC. Okay, so there is no change in this expression because A plus A bar we are said that it is 1 only. So if I am multiplying this BC also, there is no problem because its value is going to be 1 only. So that there is no change in the expression. So now we are going to do this. We are going to solve this condition. So now what will be there? AB plus A bar C plus, now I am multiplying this BC inside. Okay, so now what will happen? So now I am multiplying this A with BC. So what you will get? A, BC, and again I am multiplying A bar into BC. So we will get A bar BC. So now we are going to take the common from this. Okay, so AB is common from this two of these expressions. So from these two expressions I am going to take AB as a common. So what will be there remaining? 1 plus C. Okay, you just combine this. So in these two expressions, what is the common here? Here A bar and C are being common here. So that is what I am going to do. So A bar, C I will take it as common, and 1 plus B will be there. So if you multiply in C also, you will be getting the same expressions. So now as we saw before itself, if I am adding 1 with any of this variable, suppose here I am taking C as 0 means 1 plus 0, what I will get? I will get 1 only. Suppose I am taking the value of C as 1 means 1 plus 1 we will be getting as 1 only. So in the both the conditions we are going to get the value as 1. So here again I am applying 1 or 0 at the position of B. So if both the conditions if I am getting, I will be getting as 1 only. So such that these expressions will be taken as 1 plus A bar C. This expressions will be taken as 1. So that's how we have proved that AB plus A bar C. So whenever they are giving this expression AB plus A bar C plus BC, then we are saying that expression will be reduced to AB plus A bar C. So this is called as the consensus theorem.